What if you get lost in the building? We've got you covered.
What if you just need a break? We got you covered.
What if you cannot find the schedule? The QR code has got you covered.
What if you can't find anyone to talk to? The social events team has got you covered.
How's it going?
Okay.
What if you lose something? InfoPoint has got you covered.
What if you haven't captured the perfect moment? The marketing group has got you covered.
What if your presentation doesn't work? The room management has got you covered.
What if you need something to write with? Your material bag's got you covered.
Thank you.
What if you have any questions left? The blue t-shirts got you covered.